to find the inverse of the matrix. So this is the question, what they given. A is equal to, they given, some matrix is given, 2, 1, 3. Okay, A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1. Okay, you have to find what? Inverse of the matrix. Which method you want? Elementary transformation or you want cofactor method? You can do it, right? So elementary transformation I'll explain. After that I'll explain shortcut also after this. So first elementary transformation, if I want to do it, inverse of this, what we have to do here, A is equal to I into A. Always you remember this. Matrix is equal to I into A we should write. After that A is what here? 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1 is equal to I. I is what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. A is what here? A is you have to keep A only. Okay? A you have to keep as A. Right? After that what you have to do? Our first aim is to make here 1. After that 2 zeros. So if I want to make here 2, what I have to do? Divide by 2. So I can write as R2, R1 implies R1 by 2. R1 implies R1 by 2. So what I am going to get here? If I write here, R1 implies R1 by 2. So what I get? Tell me fatafat. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, correct? 3 by 3. Testing. Okay. 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1 is equal to, what you have to do here? Divide by R1 divide by 2. So what do you get here? 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. Clear this one? Yes. Right? What do you have to do next? Zeros. These two I have to make 0. Okay? So 0 if I want to make, what I have to do?
R2 plus 4 minus 4R1.
R2 implies R2 plus, R2 minus 4R1. R3 implies R3 plus 7R1. Correct? Right. Now we will do it. Now what I get here? No change in R1, so I will keep R1 same. 1 half 1 by 3, and this side is half 0, 0 into A. No change in first row. Right, second row change. Tell me. 0, 0. Correct? Now R2 is here what? Minus 1. Minus 1 I will tell you. Minus 1 minus 4 by 2. Minus 3. Minus 3. Right? Next one. 2 na? 2 minus 4.
That is third row.
Testing. Plus 7. R1 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 2, 11 by 2. I am doing down one. No, I have to do this one. Okay. So now here this one, right? 0. 0 minus 4, 1 by 2. So minus 2.
3 by 2.
Achha. 0 minus 4 into 3 by 2. Minus 6. Right? Yes. Clear, sir? Yes. Next one. Here 1 plus 7 3s are 21 by 2. So how much? 23 by 2. Okay, sir? Okay, now here also same thing. 0 minus 4 by 2 minus 2. 1 minus 0 1. 0 minus 0 0. 0 plus 7 by 2 7 by 2. 0 plus 7 into 0 0. 1 plus 0 1. Right? Correct, sir? Understood? Okay, next our target is what? Yeah, this is we have to make it 1. So what do we do? R2 implies R2 by minus 3. Right? So what I get here? 1 0 0. Next, half 1 by 3, 11 by 2, 23 by 2, 1, minus minus cancel 2, right, is equal to see here is half 0 0, 7 by 2 0 1. Here is divide by minus 3, right? 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, minus 1 by 3 into A. Okay, till now we reached. Then what I have to do? Next. We have to make it these two zeros, helping this. Note down, I'll do it. So next one, what we can do here, we can take it these two zeros. So R1 implies R1 minus half of R2. R3 implies R3 minus 11 by 2 R2. Right? Right, fine. So what you get here? This side you get 1 0. Right? R1 change. R1 change, right? So R1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 1, right? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Next here, R2 no change. So 0, 1, 2. R3 here, R3 this 0 minus the same है, right? Next this one is 0, right? Only this one left. 23 by 2, 23 by 2 minus 11 by 2 into R2 is 2. 2 to cancel. Okay, 2 keep it same. So 23 here I get as half. Okay, this is equal to here is the story. Here is the difficulty. Right, 1 by 2 minus half into 2 by 3. 1 by 2 minus half is here. R2 is 2 by 3. So 2 to cancel. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 6. 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Okay. Next 0. 0 है ना? 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by plus 1 by 6 है ना? Plus 1 by 6. Next here 0 0 0. R2 no change, right? R2 no change. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 0. R3 will be changed. R3 is 7 by 2 minus 11 by 4. 7 by 2 minus 11 by 4, correct? Yeah.
2 we are taking. 11 by 2 into R2, 2 by 3 now.
2 by 3.
1 by 3.
One second. Huh? This one, right? Minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. 11. 11 by 2 into 2 by 3. Correct, you are right. So 2 to cancel. 6 is the LCM. 2 table 3 times. 21 to 22 minus 1 by 6. Right? Minus 1 by 6. Very good. Next one. 0 minus into minus plus 11 by 6. 11 by 6. Now here 1 minus, right? Chalo sir, right? Okay, testing. Okay, now what you have to do, make it, this is 1. So this is, you have to make it 1. So what do you write here? R3 implies 2R3, correct? Right? So what I get here? 1 0 minus 2 by 3 0 1 2 0 0 1 is equal to 1 by 6 1 by 6 0 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 0 and dividing by multiplying by 2. So minus 2 by 6, right? 22 by 6, right? 2 into A. Okay, this is copied. This side copied. This side you have copied? No, this side, this side. Okay, we'll finish then. Finally, we are reaching. So what to do now? We have to make it zeros, right? Tell me now. R1 implies R1 plus 2 by 3 R3, right? Next, R2 implies R2 minus 2 R3, correct? Now what do you get here? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Target finished. We have to write the result now, right? R3 no change, right? 2 by 6, that is I can add minus 1 by 3, right? 11 by 3 2, correct? Next one, R1, we'll see R1. R1 means 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus this one. 1 by 6 plus minus 2 by 6 into 2 by 3. Into 2 by 3. Sahi na? 2 1s, 2 3s.
Minus 1 by 18.
Huh?
Minus 1 by 18.
Sure, na?
Yes, yes.
Minus 1 by 18. Okay. Next is what? Next, here na? R1. Where is R1? Yeah. Either na? This one. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 3 into R3. 2 by 6. 22 by 6 na? Right, okay. So 2 1s, 2 3s cancel. Correct? 1 by 6 plus 22 by 9. Right? So how much here? 6, 9.
Plus 1, 32. 9 plus 1, 32. 9 plus 1, 32 upon 54. Yes. 9 plus 1, 32 upon 54. Yes, sir.
कुछ नहीं. 9 LCM, right?
47 by 18.
No. 3 2s are na, 3 3 is 9, 9, 18 is the LCM. Right? 3 plus
47.
44. 47 by 18. 47 by 18. You said same thing?
Yes. But I did not simplify it.
Okay. 47 by 18. Okay? Okay, next one. R1. 0. 0 plus 2 by 3 into 2, right? 4 by 3. This is very simple. Nice. Next. Next one. 2 by 3 minus 2 into minus 2 by 6. As 2 ones are 2 3s are cancelled, right? So plus 4 by 3. Plus 4 by 3. Right? Next one, minus 1 by 3 minus 2 into 22 by 6. ये easy हो रहा है sir. Minus 23 by 3. Minus 23 by 3. Next one, 0 minus 2 into 2. 4. So here, however, A into this is equal to I. So this is the inverse of the matrix. So A inverse is equal to, we can say minus 1 by 18, 47 by 18, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, minus 22 by 3, minus 4, minus 1 by 3, 11 by 3, 2. So this is what elementary transformation method to finding the inverse. Right, sir? So we finish this one, we'll start new one.